my bed. Ain't gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Never wanna look Thursday. But your drip got me feeling where you at. Make you feel love. Then it gotta be, hey, gotta be chill like a Sunday. Then it gotta be.
Hey Rose family, it's your girl Serenity-Rose, and we are back with another video. So this video is going to be a try new makeup wear test mini haul type of video. So if you want to see what I got from Ulta, then just keep on watching. So before I get into what I got from Ulta, I did purchase this from BoxyCharm, and I forgot to talk about it in my base box unboxing. So I purchased the Maylee's B-Flat Firming Belly Cream. This says that it improves cellulite appearance, minimizes appearance of stretch marks, and I saw like the ads and it pulled me in and they looked legit, so I purchased it because I had 2 kids, 2 C-sections, but I did get stretch marks and I would like to remove them ASAP. So I purchased that. Now everything else is going to be from Ulta. So the first thing I purchased from Ulta is from Neutrogena. This is their makeup melting refreshing jelly cleanser. It has 7% emollient vitamin complex and it is dermatologist recommended brand, and it has 6.3 fluid ounces in it, and it does come with a pump. I'm always on the hunt for a good cleanser, so I got that. Next, I got the Real Techniques limited edition soft Glam 028 sculpted brush. It says it's for cream and powder blush, but I do plan on using this for bronzer and cream blush, like my cream bronzers and cream blushes. And as far as the video, like makeup wise goes, I'm probably just gonna show like me using the new product, so this isn't a really long video. Oh, this feels really nice and soft and has a little bit of density. This kind of reminds me of the Fenty Beauty brush. It has a nice cute little diamond here. Yeah, I think this would be really nice for cream products. So next I got the new Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation. It says that it's medium to full coverage. It has 0.94 fluid ounces, just a little bit less than the average fluid ounce that foundations come with. And I got mine in the shade Filter 1024. And as you can see, that looks ridiculously dark, but watch when I take it out of the box. So this is what it looks like in the actual packaging. It doesn't look nothing like what the box says, so you should probably really look at the actual foundation if you're trying to pick your shade out. And then this came with a free foundation brush. This is the brush that goes with the foundation from Morphe. This is the E63. It has like a slim type of design and it's a little bit fluffy on the top, so I can see this really nice for spreading the foundation and pushing it into the skin. I'm probably going to be using that foundation today because I did get another one, which is from Urban Decay. This is the Stay Naked Hydro Maniac Tinted Glow Hydrator. It says it has medium coverage up to 24-hour wear. It also has kombucha filtrate plus marula oil. So I got mine in the shade 50 medium, which looks like this, which I'm hoping is a good match. And that is what that looks like. Hopefully it's not too light, but I don't think I'm going to use that today. I'm going to use the Morphe foundation. So first I got this is their skincare like stuff, so Revolution Skincare. I got the Mattifying Niacinamide Primer Drops. It says that it helps to mattify skin, creates a smooth base for makeup application. It comes in a nice little box, and this is what it looks like. The packaging is super cute. It looks really milky. I might use this one or another one that I got. So the other one that I got is from also Makeup Revolution. This is the Liquid Powder Pore Blurring Makeup Serum. It says that it's pink, clay, and rose, and that is what it looks like. It says makeup priming serum that dries down to a powdered effect, supports skin hydration while helping to mattify and blur pores. So I think I'm going to use this one today. So this is what the packaging looks like. Really cute pink packaging. They are different, but they're both droppers and super cute. Next, I got the Makeup Revolution Skincare Mattifying Niacinamide Essence Spray. It says helps to mattify and refresh skin on the go. Cute little bottle. It's like super smallish. This has 3.38 fluid ounces in it. Then I got the Milani Cheek Kiss Cream Blush and Nude Kiss to try with that new Road Techniques brush that I got. I also got the I Heart Revolution bronzer in Latte. How freaking cute is that packaging? So really cute packaging. It has like that latte type of design, and that is what it looks like. This looks like a really pretty color, and it does come with a mirror. Next, I got a new concealer. This is the Kylie Jenner concealer in the shade Peanut. I never tried her formula, and it was on sale, so I figured I would pick it up. So that is what the shade looks like. Looks like it's going to be a pretty good match. Not too light, not too dark. I did get a new highlighter. It's from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's been going around the internet like crazy. So this is in the shade Iced Out. This is what the box looks like. Really, really pretty. This is what the packaging looks like. I love Anastasia compact like packaging. It just looks so like sleek and high-end. This is freaking gorgeous. So this is what the highlighter looks like. So I know it looks super white, but it has a gold shift to it. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera, but like you can kind of see when it turns a certain way, it'll turn gold. So that is the last product that I got. So as far as try on portion goes, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to be showing the new products. I'm not going to do my full face on camera because if I'm going to do a wear test, this video is going to be way too long. Haul, wear test, and full face of makeup will be way too long. So I'm just going to be showing the new products. So right now what I'm going to do is my eye makeup off camera, my brows, and then come back and start priming. I'm also going to moisturize off camera. So I will see you in a second. So actually, I'm all over the place today. I'm going to use the concealer to clean up my brows. It's a habit for me to smell my products, so don't mind that. Okay, this might be like a natural type of color. I don't know. Showing up pretty dope on the brows. Okay, so now I'll be back with priming. So this is the completed look with all the new products. I loved everything. So if you heard anything in the background, that's my daughter playing with her little mat and spitting. So the brushes, I like both of the brushes. They applied the product really nicely. The highlighter is super bomb. Probably my new favorite highlighter. It just melts right into the skin. The Milani blush blended out like a dream, and it is super creamy. The bronzer is like the perfect shade. It's not too dark and it's not too light. It is a bit powdery, but I don't mind. The liquid powder pore blurring makeup serum is super liquidy, but it felt really nice on the skin and hydrating and not heavy at all. The Kylie Jenner concealer is super creamy and I like the coverage, really nice. I did add another concealer because that shade was a bit too like natural. And then the Morphe foundation is really good. It doesn't look cakey at all. It feels really lightweight. The coverage is medium and very buildable. The brush goes with it really nicely, and the shade is actually too dark. I think, I don't know. When I first applied it, it looked too dark, but with everything done, it seems to be like the perfect match, if that makes any sense. So yeah, I started applying my makeup at 1. So we're going to start the wear test from 1, and it is currently 3:06. So I've had this foundation on already for 2 hours. And yeah, it seems like it's one of those foundations, the longer it sits on your face, the better it looks. But here's what it looks like up close. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next check-in. Okay, so here is the check-in. It is currently 9:26, which is basically 8.5 hours of wear, and this is how the foundation is looking. The blush and highlighter and all the other good stuff that I tried today. Girl, there is literally no oiliness peeking through. I don't know if it's because of the primer that I tried or the mattifying setting spray or what, but my face is looking like I just did it. I can still see the blush. The bronzer is still there. The foundation is holding on. It might have rubbed off on the tip of my nose because I had to go run and grab my daughter some formula because she was running out. So I had to put a mask on to go into Target. But I think I'm in love with this foundation, except for the fact that it's not my shade. Like, on camera it's looking pretty okay, but in person the tone is completely off and it is way darker. I might be able to pull it off in the summer, but I will most likely have to mix it with a different foundation. So that kind of sucks. I guess the color on the box is accurate. I guess because it's a frosted bottle, the color looks lighter. I don't know, but it sucks because I kind of wish I got the right shade. I might have to reorder it in a few weeks when I can, but your girl got bills to pay, so I can't order it right now. But yeah, here's a little up close. I'm probably gonna take my makeup off after this check-in, so get a good look. If there is any oil peeking through, it's probably just around here, and it's probably because I didn't really set around my nose correctly. But overall, I got interrupted. I had to go take something away from my son that he wasn't supposed to be touching. But yeah, this is what it looks like up close. Really no oils. I have highlight on my head, highlight on the bridge and tip of my nose, high points on my cheekbones, and my chin a little. I really like that highlighter. It's such a perfect shade. And it's weird because when you first look at it, it looks like it's going to be stark white, but it's definitely not. Overall, I pretty much give everything a 10 out of 10 that I tried today. Yeah, I highly recommend you try everything that I got. If I had to say to get one thing, I'm gonna say the highlighter. It's probably my favorite thing, and then the Morphe foundation, and then the cream blush. Top 3 favorite products, and the 2 brushes. Top 5. So yeah, that brings this wear test, try on new makeup haul video to an end. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to enter my monthly giveaway. I will leave the video linked up here. I will catch you guys in my next video. Hope you guys are staying safe and staying blessed. And yeah, bye.
Can you play that again? We've been through the 305.